All right, back here with the 70 Grand Torino. Just saw somebody on YouTube who used an air compressor on this here feed line to the fuel pump. Turns out that's what it was. Probably never needed to replace this fuel pump, but oh well, we already got it. Fuel came spewing out of here after we got bubbles from the back of the fuel tank. So now I'm gonna clean everything up and give it a start. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. I don't know your name, buddy, but I'll tag you in this video. I'll go back and look at it. I had to pump air into this and basically create pressure and siphon out enough bad gas. And I had to keep on squirting fuel into the carb for a while.